Johnson & Johnson has set a good example to promote sustainability by coming up with 7 strategic priorities for a healthy future. According to the World Bank website article on poverty from October 2015, 896 million people live on less than $1.90 a day. With that in mind, think to yourself about these questions. How do you compare to the world's poorest? And do you recycle? And are you sustainable? Throughout my UNCG career as a student, I have researched a lot of sustainability issues. My research has included air emissions, water erosion, access to health care, food deserts, the link between poverty and obesity, and exploitation of the poor from large corporations. Through this research, I've discussed concerns with people that struggle with these issues and income constraints. Johnson & Johnson has taken steps to become a leader in sustainable and healthy initiatives. First, I'm going to give you some insight on what's going on really, truthfully, globally with sustainability. Second, I'm going to tell you of ways that we can improve sustainability, and then I'm going to discuss the initiatives Johnson & Johnson has taken. We begin our journey by going over some facts about what we take for granted. There are many misfortunes around the world and also that hit close to the United States. Air quality is declining. Asthma and respiratory problems are more prevalent in cities and countries that exploit the poor. According to the BEA website on air quality trends from September 2015, emissions estimates are based on industrial activity and fuel consumption and technological advancements. Also, according to this trends post, although there have been improvements in American air quality, in 2014, 89 million tons of pollution was emitted in the United States, and that is up from 17% with CO2 emissions since the year before. Starvation and obesity is also related to poverty and access to healthy food. In America, obesity is related to poverty, since less healthy foods are, they're less expensive, and this is because subsidies goes towards wheat and other products like that. And access to food is either cheap or impossible due to food deserts in urban areas. Starvation is related to poverty in other countries, such as sub-Saharan Africa, because of poor nutritional quality and lack of access to food, and also diseases that impact body mass. Access to medical treatment is not affordable, and getting medication isn't a walk in the park. As a pharmacy technician, I've seen pharmaceutical companies skyrocket their prices. Many drugs used to treat high-profile diseases such as AIDS is very expensive but important to prolonging life. And medical treatment is very far away from people living in rural country areas, and they have no transportation to get to medical treatment. The second thing we have to be concerned with is how can we better the atmosphere with our actions. We need to become more proactive in our role to better environmental conditions for all. Recycle, separate paper, plastic, and cans so paper can be reused, or plastic cans can stay out of landfills and waterways. And be smart about your purchases. Buy items that are recyclable. Ask for paper bags or reusable bags when shopping instead of plastic bags. And be more efficient with energy at home and with your choice in vehicle. Now I'm going to tell you how Johnson & Johnson is leading the way towards wellness and bettering our environment. According to the Johnson & Johnson website article Healthy Future 2015, written in October 2015, the company established 7 sustainability priorities for the next 5 years, publishing a responsibility website. They want to advance the community wellness through timely and easy to understand health-related information, and philanthropy will also be optimized to raise standard of health outcomes. They want to partner with suppliers that share their mission as well, and increasing sustainable products and improving health and safety among healthcare employees is also a priority. And they're going to identify neglected diseases and offer affordable access to their medications to poor countries. Their business practices and products will also be more transparent. Johnson & Johnson has had a long history in trying to help the world solve problems. Their mission is to care for the world and improve and unite people. They embrace research and science, therefore they will continue to come up with innovative ideas and products to help improve global well-being and health. Now that we have identified sustainability issues, how we can improve the world, and also Johnson & Johnson's mission and initiatives, let's take time to review what I've gone over. My presentation has identified environmental and social issues, changes that can make environmental sustainability, and what Johnson & Johnson has committed to. There have also been many misfortunes around the world that hit close to home, but there are many ways that we as individuals can make changes to sustain the world for generations to come. Johnson & Johnson has set a tone to inspire other countries and individuals to take a stand towards the health of everyone overall. So basically, Now you should have a better understanding to improve living conditions all over the world and for our future. My research tips and overview of a company making strides towards sustainability and wellness have hopefully increased your awareness and responsibility to take care of the world we live in and to not take things for granted. Thank you.